If you are thinking about entering cryptocurrency market and are not sure where to start, this video is just for you. Today we are going to break down essentials you need to know about cryptocurrency so you can start earning money from them right away. Also, you'll find out that cryptocurrency give you good opportunity to make a significant profit if compared to the stock market. We'll cover everything step by step using the same order I would recommend if I were starting from the scratch today. You will learn how to analyze a project to identify which ones are likely to grow and are worth investing in, helping you sort promising projects from the potential scams. At the end of the video, you will understand how much money you can earn in crypto. I will also share why those who entered cryptocurrency market could potentially earn the most. Consider this video as a big picture view of crypto. Covering every nuance of cryptocurrency market will take you weeks, but you will find plenty of additional information right here on my channel. The first thing you need to understand is what cryptocurrency is all about. This includes understanding potential earnings, learn how technology works, exploring how cryptocurrency market has developed and identifying the technologies it involves. If you're interested in going deeper, I recommend learn about blockchain technology in detail. This will help you fully grasp its usefulness across various areas of life. Once you grasp the basics, it's a good idea to start engaging with cryptocurrency practically by purchasing some. To buy cryptocurrency, you can use centralized exchange where transaction can be often completed using a bank cards. Popular exchanges like Binance, Coinbase and Crypto.com are user-friendly options for beginners. Additionally, there are many other services that enable quick cryptocurrency purchases. For instance, on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, you can buy cryptocurrency in just a couple of clicks by connecting your cryptocurrency wallet. And if you want to fully understand cryptocurrencies, starting from the scratch up to your first earnings, I have a course called Crypto Academy. I will leave the link to the course in description. The next step is to learn how to trade cryptocurrency. This involves understanding the basic operations of exchanging one cryptocurrency for another. To get started, familiarize yourself with the trading functions of your choosing exchange. And most exchanges provide the guides on how their features work and how to utilize them effectively. Additionally, it's crucial to understand the network used for depositing and withdrawing cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum, Solana, and others. This knowledge is essential when you need to transfer crypto to other services for earning opportunities, such as decentralized finance platforms. At this stage, you will know how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies and capitalize on their price movements. For example, if you purchase a token for $100 and its price doubles, your investment will grow to $200. You might choose to invest in major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum and wait for their value to increase. However, remember that real potential for substantial earnings often involves taking greater risks. My personal view is that cryptocurrency market is a high risk and it's suited for those who are aiming to achieve more than just modest gains from their investments. We are in crypto market not just for 2 or 3x returns, but for possibility of making significant profits. To be more successful in the market and earn more, we need to learn which tokens are more likely to grow relative to others. For this, there are different forms of analysis and analytics of the projects, where we look for patterns that indicate the likely growth of the particular asset. For example, when I analyze the project, I look at the several indicators, and the first one is the market capitalization of the project, which represents the total value of its all tokens currently in circulation. For instance, Apple has a market capitalization of $3 trillion, and Google is valued for $2 trillion. And similar evaluations apply in crypto. To view the market capitalization of cryptocurrency, we can see on CoinMarketCap, which lists all existing cryptocurrencies in descending order of capitalization, from largest to smallest. There is a statistical rule: the higher market cap of the project, the more likely it will grow significantly. Tokens with a market capitalization below $200 million often grow many times than those worth several billions. However, there are risks that project might fail, as a 200 million capitalization is considered small in the crypto world. To find a project that could provide a 100x return, you should thoroughly analyze the project and discover a real gem. But if we compare the crypto with the stock market, we can see that crypto is still early for us to make a significant profit. Because stock has a 50 trillions of market cap, but crypto is only 2 trillions. It means there is a lot of chance for us to make a good profit in crypto. I also conduct basic analysis using 4 more indicators. The first one is really interesting. It's about checking investors and funds. Those investors who invested money during the early stage of project to help them grow. The thing here is the better reputation of these investors and funds, the higher the chances that project you are looking into will succeed. If you want to follow along and check out the tokens yourself, just head over the crypto rank. You can find all info you need there. Alright, when you're checking out the fundraising section, we can see who invested in the project. If you click on the funds, you will see rating scale from 1 to 5. Tier 1 is where you find the elite the real reputable funds, and the tier 5 represent the weakest. The scale helps you understand the strength of the financial backing behind the project. Next up, let's talk about the volume of investment. How much money did these funds actually invest into the project? Generally, the more money invested, the better. It shows that experienced investors have a higher expectations from the project success. You can check out the exact investment amount over the crypto rank. Another key factor to check out the size of project audience. For instance, we can check how many people are following it on the Twitter and how engaged they are. You know, for a well-known project, you will often see a big number like 500,000 followers or even more. Now, if the number are on the lower side, it could mean the project is still in early stage, or worse, it might be a scam. To dig deeper, we'll also look at who these followers are top influencers, major exchange, or any employees from leading funds following it. That's our next step in analysis. For this kind of analysis, there is a cool tool you can use called Twitter Score. Just type in Twitter handle of the project and bam, you will get Twitter score for it. This score also shows you which famous people are following the project. Generally, the more celebrities or known figures following it, the higher the score. For example, take a Galaxy project. They have got score of 172, which is excellent. All the big names and ventures capitals keeping tabs on them. Now, for not so great example, let's look at the Chile project with a Twitter score of 3, which is very bad. None of well-known project or influencers are following them. That's definitely a red flag. Right now, I'm just covering the basic of analysis, but there are actually about 20 different parameters we can analyze. By tapping into all of them, we can make a pretty solid prediction of how much a new token will be worth, or what its market cap might look when it first hits the market. And also we can find which tokens is now more promising for purchase, allowing us to multiply our investment profit. From our experience, we have seen tokens that provided us with a substantial 500% growth from the time we have bought them. And they were even cool projects that soared by 5,000 to 8,000%. Of course, there are expectations. Typically, if you were invested $100 in such a project, you could expect to see returns anywhere from $5,000 to $8,000. It's important to note that not all investments pan out. We have also experienced losses, especially in riskier projects where we have seen our investments completely decrease. On average, cryptocurrency market can deliver incredible returns, anywhere from 700% to 3,000% on your investment. These are growth cycles and they tend to happen every 2 to 4 years. So it's all about timing and knowing when to jump in. If you want to discover such a gem projects, you can join us on our private channel. I will leave the link in description. Historically, the market experienced significant growth phases lasting about 6 months to 1 year, during which early buyers can earn the most. During these phases, various tokens can increase in value by 10 to 30 times. To find such a high growth projects often involves diligent research and bit of luck. Currently, we're at the point where investing in crypto could make you huge profits. An upcoming bull market is expected to be the best and the most profitable. However, this mainly applies to altcoins, not for Bitcoin and Ethereum, as due to their large market capitalizations. They are unlikely to produce as high returns like 10 or 100x. Therefore, if we now develop the right investment strategy and purchase promising tokens, we will be able to accumulate enough tokens until the next grow. The most important rule in crypto, as in other financial market, is to buy when it's cheap, when no one is talking about crypto, or when everyone is afraid to buy, and sell it when everyone feeling euphoria and FOMO. While it's impossible to predict when prices will rise, buying now will prepare us to the benefit from the next bull run. Prices may drop further by 20 to 30%, but this should not deter us, given the potential to earn 1,000 to 3,000 profit in the future if market grows. If we don't take advantage of current price and keep putting off buying, we might miss the boat. The crypto market could start rising without us, and we'll find ourselves never buying, because we think prices are already too high. Now, based on your level of knowledge, you understand where to focus and how to allocate your resources. I hope you found today's video useful and informative. Stick around for more. See you in the next videos.